So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Daily Code Crafter. Sometimes we want to make the image transparent or change the background of the image, only of the image. But the problem comes when editing on Adobe Photoshop. We don't get to know how to remove background. So in this video I will provide a short tutorial to remove the image background. So if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So let's get into the Adobe Photoshop. So here I have a picture of a woman and I want to remove the background of this image. So first thing first, select the layer where the image have been imported. So if you haven't imported the image, then go to the downloaded folder and just drag it here. Okay, now select the layer and go to the top bar where you can see the select after the type. Okay, click on select. And you can also see there is a subject. Okay, click on the subject and it will automatically select the subject. So here the subject is this woman. Okay, the Adobe Photoshop has automatically selected the subject for me. Now click on the marquee tool, which is located at above here. Click on it and right click on the subject. So here we can see a lot of options where we can do much more things, but we just do layer VA copy. Okay, here we have two layers now, one with the selected and the another one is the original. So now let's hide the imported image and see what happens. Let's hide this and boom! The background of the image have been removed in just 1 minute. Okay, let's try for another image as well. So in this second image I have an image of a cat, or I don't know what it said. I'm seeing it as a cat. Let's select the layer and go to the top bar where we can see the select. Click on the subject and it will automatically select the subject. So here the selection have been a little bit miss, so you can see the bottom wood is also being visible. To remove this, let's click on the selection tool where you can see quick selection tool. Click on it. Like if I click on here, then it will add more selection to it. To remove the selection, you can simply click Alt, okay, or you can go to the top bar and click on the minus sign. Okay, this will remove now. Now drag the mouse cursor where you want to remove, up to where you want to remove the selection. Okay, now I will remove the selection like this way. All right. Okay, so now it's fine. Now as we have done before, let's click on the selection or the marquee tool and right click on the selected subject. Okay, then layer VA copy. Now the new layer have popped up and let's hide the background. Okay, and boom, the image background have been removed successfully. That's all guys, we have successfully removed the background of these two images. If you have any queries removing this background, then make sure to leave a comment. And if you are also facing problem in blurring the image background, then make sure to check this video where I have talked about the best and fastest way to blur background. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, then make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.